Hey everyone, this is Jay. We are here at Eleuthera, so today we'll be chartering a boat with Uncle Rob's Adventures. We plan on going out seeing stingrays, swimming with the pig, and also feeding some turtle. Enjoy.
Okay, so there was no parking directly by the dock. We just parked down the street a little bit. I'm assuming it's like a 2 or 3 minute walk, nothing crazy. Our 4-hour boat adventure kicked off at Jeans Bay Dock in North Eleuthera, the same place you can catch a water taxi to Spanish Wells. Right on cue, our upbeat captain met us at the dock, and within just a few moments we were cruising through the stunning crystal clear waters of the Bahamas. No rush, just good vibes and ocean breezes. As we pulled up to our first stop, we could already spot the dreamy sandbank with swings rising right out of the ocean. It was like something out of a postcard. After we dropped anchor, a massive stingray came cruising by to say hello, gliding through the clear, shallow water like it was no big deal. We took our time here, soaking it all in, swinging over the water and just enjoying the moment before heading off to our next spot. Next up was the Sand Dollar Sandbank, another gorgeous little gem just chilling out in the middle of the ocean. This place was seriously stunning, and we couldn't help but take it all in. The water was so clear and the surroundings were beyond beautiful. We are somewhere here in the middle of the ocean, on top of a sandbank that only appears during low tide. And look at this. Our third stop was Pig Island, where we were met by some incredibly friendly pigs, plus a bunch of adorable little piglets who trotted right up to say hello to us. It was hard not to smile with all the cuteness around. This was definitely a highlight of this boat tour. After leaving Pig Island, we made a quick stop to stroll through the Spanish Wells Harbor, a charming little detour, before cruising over to another stunning spot where we got to feed turtles in the most clearest waters you can imagine. It was peaceful, playful, and totally unforgettable. All in all, our boat charter with Uncle Rob's was absolutely unforgettable, a true highlight of our time here in Eleuthera. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and we hope to have you back with us again really soon.